So with this, we're fully ready. Are you, Kurt?
Yes, of course, thank you. And it's always great to be in Luxembourg, surely at this hour of the day. So I hope you all had your shot of coffee, because we're going to give you, after the movie, even some more adrenaline to look for. So I'm Kurt Rommens. I'm leading the public sector team for Google Cloud in the Benelux, so 3 countries. And I'm joined with Céline. Nice to see you
I
again.
have the utmost pleasure of looking after Google Cloud in Belgium and Luxembourg. And with this, let's start a small journey, as we believe that we are living truly in extraordinary times. A lot of momentum, extraordinary breakthroughs. And I'm wondering what it makes you feel like. For some, it might feel like I'm exaggerating, or it might feel challenging, or maybe the fact that you're here at a conference where it's all about accelerating AI and tech for a better tomorrow, you might feel it as something inspirational and truly exciting. And I'm a kind of visual person, so in order to clarify that, the pace of AI innovations is accelerating. What it actually means is that there's a lot of developments. The developments are accelerating exponentially. So for you, like this, it's exponentially. And also there's breakthroughs in AI that are happening frequently. You've heard about it, you've seen it, and it's truly coming to life. Now, what it actually means is also something kind of like disruptive, with a huge opportunity, where I was talking about exponential growth in developments and technology. Technological change is going really fast, and you see that curve. However, organizations, based on people, processes, certain culture, legacy, what have you, are not necessarily growing in the same way. And in the beginning, the delta is only small, but as you see it evolving over time, it's only becoming bigger. So it is super important for organizations, for companies, for societies to actually look into that gap and to bridge it, as some companies are actually adopting AI at an accelerated pace. They are transforming their industries, and what happens if you're not following that pace? So the benefits of rapid AI innovation are great, and maybe initially you're thinking about efficiencies, like based on automation and processes, but you can think broader. It's also about enhanced decision making, or for example, new customer experiences, or maybe new streams for revenue. It can be in any kind of domain, but the benefits are super exciting. They are great. They are there. So with this, we recently had a flagship event, Next, in the US, and we announced, to make it more tangible, Gemini, Imagen 3, and VO2. And when I'm saying great, you can think about theoretical things, but I thought of bringing that to life and through some images, literally speaking as well. So for example, there's a first shot and a last shot, but actually with AI and Gen AI, we're making the full movie based on VO, which we've just shown. So imagine what technology can do as such. Another one is, for example, here in painting. You also have out painting, abroad of the square, but in painting, where the harness and the wire to keep it safe are actually disappearing when it comes to actual production movie. This is fun, but actually shows the power of technology that can be adopted through within companies, within enterprises, and so on and so forth.
Yeah, thank you, Céline. And actually, that is our mission at Google, is actually to make sure that we provide you the platform to do your transformation, to move your business going forward. I think that's super important. And since years now, Google has been on the forefront of everything which has to do with AI. Even in 2016 already, our CEO, Sundar Pichai, already claimed that Google is an AI-first company. And just imagine that this would be manual processes where we actually serve more than 2 billion people every day with our services, like with Maps, like with Gmail. This is utterly important that is all driven by AI. Just a fun note, every single minute we upload 500 hours of movie on YouTube. Don't think that this is a human process. This is all AI-driven, and all that expertise we bring together. We also made the bold move to bring all our research all together, and that is what you see happening with Google DeepMind. Even one of the CEOs was a Nobel Prize winner to do, let's say, really not normal work by using AI to solve real-world problems. And all that innovation and technology we bring actually to you. And so Google is the only company that provides you a fully unified stack going forward. So of course you need to have all the compute power that you need with the storage and of course to meet your data needs on that one. On top of that, of course, we bring our research and our models, and that's fully integrated on that stack. On that stack you can imagine the GPUs, but we also have our TPUs, our tensor process units, which are actually created by Google, for Google, to serve you. And we just launched our 7th generation. It's Ironwood. I ask you all to check in on that one. On top of those, we have one huge model environment, which is Vertex AI. And Vertex AI is literally your environment to bring all your models into one place, and from there on build, and Céline will tell a bit more on that one, around agents and what they can do actually for you. So if we take a deep dive on that stack, I think we definitely can see that the compute power is absolutely important to do your necessary work, right? The data, as I just mentioned, but also the models. And there I think, again, looking at the DNA of Google, we don't only bring our own models, but we open up our platform for third-party models. We work together with the Mistrals of this world, actually to provide you the power of choice. If one model is actually suiting your business needs, you can bring it on that same platform and you can actually manage that from Vertex AI going forward. If you have that common platform, of course, you can build up on top solutions that meet your business requirements. And as you know, and there will be quite some presentations about the topic, the agent area where we are in today, you can build your custom agents, you can bring your own agents, you can actually use Google's agent to meet your business requirements. And we don't just bring this only for the happy few, but we also bring that actually to Luxembourg. And just as a small recap, we want to show you the exciting moment where we actually launched our office and our presence in Luxembourg going forward in this small movie. Familiar faces on that one. But I was just leading into the agent world. So Céline, if you could tell us a bit more about that.
Here I am again. Thank you, Kurt.
Running all over the
It's not
stage.
only exciting times on technology overall, exciting times in Luxembourg, as you've seen in the little video, but also exciting times on agents. As 2025 is the year of the agents, it's the agentic era. And you can see all kinds of agents, the ones, the creative ones, the employee agents, code agents, security agents. The cool thing is you can also mingle them and they will become your personal assistant, they will enhance processes, they will improve life and so on. And not only in one industry or one country or limited, but actually at scale across verticals, across industries. Here you'll see just a highlight of a couple of names that you might recognize. There's a couple of global reference, but we also have local ones. And to bring that to life in the final moments here with you on this beautiful stage, there's two real-life examples. And you know, for Nexus 2050, the slogan is accelerating AI and tech for a better tomorrow. So when thinking about a better tomorrow, there was, to make that tangible, two examples, one in healthcare and one on sustainability that I will show with you. One is with Google Health, we are advancing breast cancer detection, not somewhere in the world, but also from a Belgium-Luxembourg perspective. For example, through a collaboration with AZ Delta, with UZ Antwerpen, with UZ Leuven. So there's a lot of great stuff happening where we're truly making an impact on people's lives. And I believe that is super important. And another one is sustainability, close to many people's hearts as well. And there's a little video to show. There you go, we call it Project Greenlight. Voila. So this is Project Greenlight, but you also have Flood Hub, for example, on flood forecasting. There's also contrails on condensation trails for planes, and all of this in a sustainability context. As mentioned, there's many more cases, there's many more ways of applying AI for a better tomorrow. And with this, I believe together we can create extraordinary breakthroughs, leveraging cloud, leveraging AI, leveraging ecosystem and partnerships. And especially also here in Luxembourg with a lot of momentum. So we're super excited. We're looking forward to seeing all of you.
So do please meet us at the booth. We have several sessions to take a deep dive on AI. We will have also sessions about sovereignty, a hot topic, of course, these days. But the main point that we want to raise actually is the opportunities are huge and massive. So take the technology with you to actually provide your next big thing, the next shift that you can create within your own company, businesses, or institutions. So on that note, I think, thank you, Céline, for being here together with me.
Thanks to all of you for waking up early
thank you.
and being here. Have a great day. Merci.
Bye-bye.